Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to silence notifications while we are driving in Samsung Galaxy S22. Where to look for these options and how to turn it on. So we need to go to settings, of course, then safety and emergency, and here we have silence notifications while driving. When we go in here we have a little short explanation. To limit interruptions like calls and text messages, your device can automatically turn on Do Not Disturb when you are driving. Your device uses motion and Bluetooth connections to figure out when you're in moving vehicle. So to turn it on, we need to tap this box here, and now our notifications are turned off while we are driving. Also, now it will automatically turn on Do Not Disturb mode. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.